In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini AI with Google Workspace, Gmail, Drive, and Docs. 5 minutes. First, open a browser and go to gemini.google.com. Sign in with the Google account you use for work so Gemini can connect to your Workspace apps. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're on the one that has Gmail, Drive, and Docs access so everything lines up. Next, look for Settings and Help. Depending on your screen size, you'll find it in the side panel or the top right menu. Open it, then head into Connected Apps. This is where you control what Gemini can access. Now enable apps from Google. You'll see options for Gmail, Drive, and Docs. Turn on the ones you want. You'll be asked to grant permissions so Gemini can read or summarize content you explicitly reference. You can disconnect anytime in the same place, and if you're on a managed work account, some options may be controlled by your admin. With the connections on, go back to the chat panel. Here's the key. Use the @ symbol to target an app, like at Gmail, at Drive, or at Docs. That tells Gemini exactly where to look. For example, you could type at Gmail, summarize my latest project update thread, or at Drive, find the product roadmap PDF and give me key takeaways. The more specific you are with titles, dates, or keywords, the better the results. Inside Gmail, you can ask Gemini to summarize long threads so you get the big picture fast. You can also have it draft replies. Give it a goal and tone, like keep it friendly and confirm next steps by Friday. Ask it to check tone if you want the message more concise, warmer, or more formal. And if you're hunting for context, ask Gemini to surface relevant details from previous emails you've mentioned. Always review the draft before sending to make sure it's accurate and reflects your voice. In Docs and Drive, click Help Me Write in Docs to generate content from a prompt such as an outline, a first draft, or a rewrite for clarity. You can also use the Gemini panel or at Drive in Chat to summarize long docs or PDF files stored in Drive. Add guidance like target audience, desired length, or style to shape the output. For large files, try requesting bullet point summaries, action items, or an executive overview, then follow up with refine or expand on section 2. As with email, give it a final pass to verify facts and formatting. And that's it. Connect, target with @ and let Gemini help you summarize, draft, and refine across Gmail, Drive, and Docs.